What makes a kickstand case a great choice is the ability to enhance your hands-free uses of your smartphone. Whether you want to prop up your device in the portrait orientation or position it in the landscape mode, it has got you fully covered. Moreover, it also seals your smartphone while keeping the fashion quotient intact. That said, let's explore the best kickstand cases for the iPhone 16 series. So first off, I would like to highlight the Spider Case kickstand case. Sporting a crystal clear profile, the Spider case looks elegant and allows your iPhone to continue to showcase its profile. Clear design aside, the case can also endure shock and prevent scratches thanks to the presence of raised edges on the front and the back. Made out of the aerospace grade aluminum, the kickstand is quite sturdy and supports both the landscape and portrait orientations as well. Then I would like to take your attention to Speeden Ultra Hybrides. For folks who want a high quality clear case with a built-in kickstand, the Speeden Ultra Hybrides can be a great choice. Bolstered by the rugged PC and the shock-absorbing TPU material, the Ultra Hybrid can deliver the trusted military-grade protection from shock. As the material is anti-yellowing, you can count on it to keep the framed clarity intact for a long time. And as for the built-in kickstand, it is pretty strong, flexible, and lets you securely place your iPhone in multiple orientations. And now it's time to talk about Tora's Protective Kickstand Case. If you're looking for an exceptionally protective kickstand case for your iPhone without compromising on the style factor, this offering from Tora's will win you over. Equipped with a solid back and the impact-resistant frame, the case provides the certified military-grade protection. For added safeguard from scratches, it also comes with the beveled edges for rear cameras and the display. As the stand supports multiple orientations, you can enjoy watching your favorite flicks hands-free. That's not all, the Tora's case also supports a wide range of MagSafe accessories, which is yet another big plus. And finally, I would like to highlight the Casology Capella Mag Kickstand Case. There are multiple reasons why the Casology Capella can be a worthy choice for your iPhone. First and foremost, the case is made out of the anti-yellowing material, which plays a vital role in helping it maintain the clarity for a long time. Another feature that makes it a standard option is the ability to absorb shock and also ward off scratches with the raised lips. Furthermore, the kickstand is exceptionally strong and does a good job of spicing up the hands-free media consumption. Couple that with the support for a variety of MagSafe accessories, and you have a case that looks like a complete package from all aspects. And that's pretty much it. So these are the 4 best kickstand cases for the brand new iPhone 16 series. Hopefully you have found my picks up to the mark. Now that you have known my picks, it's time to share your favorites, and I'll see you in the next roundup. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.